Hello friends, we are doing some of the questions of hedging in Forex. This is question number C 2.2. Question says, GIB Relator Limited has imported 5,000 bottles of shampoo at a landed cost in Mumbai of $20 each. So they have imported 5,000 bottles at the rate of $20. What is payable is $1 lakh. The company has to choose for paying the goods immediately or in 3 months' time. So what are the options? Option number 1, pay now. Option number 2, pay after 3 months. If we pay after 3 months, with a clean overdraft limit where 14% rate of interest is charged. So what is an OD rate? Is 14%. Calculate which of the following methods would be cheaper to G Limited. Number 1, pay in 3 months time with an interest of 10% and cover the risk forward for 3 months. Settle now at a current spot rate and pay interest of the overdraft for the 3 months. The rates are as follows. Let us write down the rates. Spot rate is 60.25, 60.55. 25, 60.55 rupees per dollar. This is a spot rate. 3 month swap. I'll be getting 3 months forward from it. If they are decreasing in order, I will be subtracting the figure. So 60.25 minus 0.35. It is 59.90. And 60.55 minus 0.25 is 60.30 rupees per dollar. These are 3 months forward rate. We are going to see which option is better. Pay in 3 months with the interest of 10%. Option number 1. Pay in 3 months with an interest rate of 10%. Interest rate of 10% means what will be payable? $1 lakh plus 10% is $1,10,000. It will be payable after 3 months, so I'll have to take a forward. I'll have to purchase a dollar in 3 months forward. If I purchase a dollar in 3 months forward, the rate applicable will be 60.30. I will be ending up paying $1,10,000 into 60.30 rupees per dollar. Dollar will get cancelled. 1,10,000 into 60.30 is 66,33,000 rupees. After 3 months. We have got answer in rupees terms. Let us go to option number 2 and understand what does it say. Pay in spot and pay interest on overdraft for 3 months. So if you pay in spot $1 lakh, which rate will be applicable? 60.55. Again, you will have to purchase the dollar to pay it. So the rate applicable will be 60.55. This will be 60,55,000 rupees, but this is today. Understand? This cannot be compared. This is after 3 months. This is today. So I'll also convert this into after 3 months by charging overdraft interest. What is overdraft rate? 14% per annum will become 3.5. 3.5% for 3 months. Plus 3.5% 3 months OD interest. 60,50,000 plus 3.5% gives me 62,61,750. 62 lakh 60 1,750. 0.14 divided by 4 is 3.5%. Yes. 60 lakh 50,000 plus 3.5, 62 lakh 50,000 plus 3.62 lakh 61,750 will be amount after 3 months. You should all, if you are an importer, you are going to pay rupees for purchasing this dollar. Wherever you are paying less, you should always select that option. In this case, you are paying less, so your option will be to pay immediately. Take your overdraft, pay 14% rate of interest. 14 divided by 4 is 14 divided by 4. It is 3.5. 60 lakh 55,000 multiplied by 3.5%. 25 plus 60 lakh 55,000. Yes, here there is some mistake. 60 lakh 55,000 plus 3.5%. It is 62 lakh 66,925. This is 900. 62 lakh 66,925 rupees. 60 lakh 55,000 is 62 lakh 60 plus 3.5% is 62 lakh 66,925. As I told you, the lesser you are paying, the option is better. Here you are paying less. You should pay immediately by purchasing $1 lakh today. Take overdraft on rupees and pay overdraft interest. You will be ending up paying 62 lakh 66,925 after 3 months. Thank you, friends.